It's shades off for the first Friday of the Monmouth Park season. In race number 1, number 4, Sonny Crockett was overmatched on turf in his first start of 2012, but showed foot with his new blinkers. He improved with racing in 2011 and drops to a very weak basement race here. In race number 2, number 1, Midnight Thunder improved versus Much Better at Penn National and generally has moved forward since changing barns this winter. He should get a live scenario to attack. The early daily double play is the 4 with the 1, 6, and 4. In race 6, number 2, At the Disco lost all chance when he was making a move into the stretch versus Better and clipped heels last time. He should be very tactical dropping into this matchup. Number 1, Audacity of Hope, ran his career best figure on this course a couple years ago. Race 7 begins a 50-cent pick 4. I'll use all in race 7, 8 horses. In race 8, I'll use the 5, Bluegrass Music, first race off the claim for trader Jason Service, who thrives off that move. Number 9, Alluring Tower, and number 6, Take Me to Zuber. In race 9, I'll single number 1, Team, who's much better than her numbers. And in race 10, I'll use the 6, Stray Bells, and the 7, Uncle Calvin. The cost is $24 for a 50-cent play.